supermarket in Bloomington, actually. Yeah, guys, these here's a lock system here. Lock number 8. So yeah, these, I know in Britain, guys, it really changed the course of history in the United Kingdom when the Dutch built the canals there for trade and stuff. Wow. Wow, look at the rocks there, guys. Beautiful log dam. So I know that these, wherever they were built, these canals, guys, they were super important to the trade, at least for a while, at least for 100 years, right? I bet these guys got paid pretty well to dig this stuff by hand. And what they used to sing on the railroads, work, work, work my patties, work all day, or no sugar in your tea. Remember that from my history class when they were telling us about how the Irish built the railroad from east to west and the Chinese from the west to east, and they used to sing all kinds of, you know, daytime work songs. Well, guys, so this trail actually goes on for like 60 miles, 61 miles. It's approximately what we got to do today. So what we've got left, yeah, we got 61 miles left exactly. Something is clinking back there, guys. I think I may have lost a spoke, or a spoke that busted. It's now just wanking around. So we'll check it on the next tech stop there. Or it's something up here in the front. No, I think it's in the back. For sure. Oh, there's a few rocks in there. Big rocks right in the ground. Yeah, definitely cooler going through the forest here, guys. Oh. Well, 60 miles to go, guys. And yeah, I found, guys, I think the most there's a 6:30 train, which we're probably not going to make, but I mean, if .501 is the current ETA, but guys, if I'm sure this trail probably going to get better at some point as we get into the closer, maybe into the Chicago suburbs, like